My name is Jessica Dornan-Linus and I have a company called Afterbook. I founded Afterbook with my father, having lost my mum to cancer 20 years ago. Afterbook is a software platform that allows the user to tell the life story of and build a legacy to a deceased loved one and share that legacy with family and friends and remember the person well and celebrate their life and hopefully achieve catharsis in the process. The programme here at Ignite Propel has been brilliant for me. I've really enjoyed it apart from anything else, but it's the wealth of experience that they've been able to bring in and showcase to us, like the workshops and the talks and lectures that we've had, and also the mentoring, and also just the sort of camaraderie that you find with working alongside other founders and entrepreneurs, because you're going through this crazy journey and it's lovely to not feel so alone when you're on a course like this. So at the beginning of the course we really dive deep into customer development and having better conversations with our customers and understanding. There's a great term of, yes, you may have found a gap in the market, but is there a market in the gap? And I really dive deep into that because it's a personal project for me. You know, it stems from a very personal place. It's a passion project almost, but I've really discovered through customer feedback that it's a passion for many, many other people, and there's a huge space, so there is a huge market in the gap, if you like, and that's been really beneficial for me from being on this course. I am an unlikely founder. I come from a fashion background and I haven't started a business before. I had a small fashion business at one stage, but I ran it in a very ad hoc fashion, if you like. And so it's really developed me as an entrepreneur, and you can feel quite naive sometimes, and imposter syndrome reigns supreme when you're embarking on something like this, but it's given me confidence in myself that I know I can do this just as much as the next person, and that's largely been given to me from being on the course. The positive effects of the course have been, numerous and manifold for me, but the grant funding that comes with it has obviously been very helpful, but also the access to workshops and developing myself and my business through those workshops have been brilliant. The co-working space in itself is a great benefit, and being, as I said before, with a team of people and really feeling like you're with a team and you're not alone in a very lonely space that is, you know, startup land or founder land. I would definitely recommend the programme to other entrepreneurs. It's been really marvellous for me and for Afterbook. Largely what I've learnt on the programme has been about access to funding and what way you're going to raise your rounds through angel investment or VC investment. And I've been considering crowdfunding a lot more because I have such a consumer-facing product in Afterbook. So I'm going to be looking into raising a round through crowdfunding, and I've learned much more about that on the course.